So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-post ng story sa ating TikTok account. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok account or yung ating TikTok app. And then, pagka-open guys, pumunta lang tayo sa pinaka-profile ng ating TikTok. So, ayan guys, dito sa pinaka-profile picture, kung makikita nyo, merong add button or plus button na katabi ng profile picture. So, tap nyo lang yun guys. And pili lang kayo dito ng gusto nyong story or my day sa inyong TikTok. So, for example, is itong image na to. Tap nyo lang yung pinakang photo or image. And ayan dito, pwede nyo i-edit yung inyong story. So, pwede nyo lagyan ng text, ng sticker, ng filters, ng music, or pwede rin kayong mag-add ng another photo. So, kapag okay na guys, and gusto nyo i-post yung inyong story, tap nyo lang yung your story. And magpo-post na yan siya guys. So, uploading pa lang yung ating story. So, once kasi guys na merong blue na circle sa ating profile, ibig sabihin meron tayong story as of now. So, parang katulad din lang yun guys sa ibang app na 24 hours mag-a-appear yung story ninyo dito sa TikTok. And makikita yan guys ng inyong mga followers. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-post ng story sa ating TikTok. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day,